உங்களின் இல்லங்களையும் வாழ்வையும் இனிதே ஒளிமயமாக்கிட GT ராயலின் தீப்பெட்டிகள். தரமானது, பாதுகாப்பானது.
No, first of all, I condemn the demolition of the temple and arrest of the Hindu Munnani leader, Sri Kadeshwara Subramaniam. Why I am telling this? Because repeatedly the DMK is doing a mistake by its anti-Hindu mindset. Because yesterday only they have got the verdict for the Thiruparam Kundram in favor of the Hindus. But today, with anger, they are demolishing means it is highly atrocious, and the DMK should answer this in the election 2026. From the beginning, they have allowed the Islamic program to be conducted in the hillock, and they allowed the hoisting of the flag of the Islamic religion. But at the same time, when the other religion goes to the hill, there won't be any law and order problem. But when Hindus go and light the lamp, there will be law and order problem. This type of separatist mindset is highly condemnable. That too, a government is behaving like this is highly condemnable.
But the temple when has been demolished here, it belongs to HRNC, and there is an encroachment area. That is what the government.
No, that is what I am telling. So many temples are there. 48,000 temples are there. Okay. Its contribution from the people goes to the government. And there are so many lands. Its contribution also goes to the government. When the government is earning lakhs and crores of from the devotees, a temple with the belief of a devotee is there, why can't you leave it? As if encroachment, if they are taking all the encroachment, most of the DMK leaders' houses are constructed after encroachment. So if we are really going on encroachment, we have to see where are the DMK ministers has constructed, where are the lakes has been encroached, where are the ponds has been encroached. So when there is encroachment by the temple, immediately they go. Then immediately it is court order. Even lighting the lamp is court order. Why didn't you obey? But demolish the temple, court order means immediately you demolish. I am asking one question. So much of devotees' money is given to the government. How can a small place which the belief of devotees can be kept away, left away?
How do you see about the present situation of political scenario of ADMK right now aligned?
Yeah, we are very happy. We are very happy PMK has aligned with that officially. They have joined, and repeatedly, definitely there will be good news for NDA. Not only good news for NDA, good news for people of Tamil Nadu. Double engine government, as our Honorable Prime Minister always says, development. Double engine government can be expected in Tamil Nadu. So 2026 will be a winning year for us.
But there is a rift between the father and son. Anbumani Ramadas.
That is internal party matter. That we cannot.
Is not accepting only with my consent only you should form the alliance.
No, that is all there. Turmoil within the party. I don't want to comment on that. Okay. Now Anbumani is conducting his official programs as PMK. So I think it is a good move to take move.
About this Jananayagam movie, the certificate to the movie has been delayed. Who is creating this issue?
No, who is creating issue is one censor board is an independent body. BJP cannot take a charge for that. Second, there may be some, because I know how the censor board acts. Probably they would have said some of the objective lines to be removed. Probably they didn't do that. Probably, I don't know. So delay is not due to BJP. Delay is due to censor board. Let them apply to censor board.
Are you keen to watch that movie? Because morning show you'll be watching.
Yeah, because no. Why I want to watch means Parasakti. Parasakti, I believe it is anti-Hindi movement. Yeah. And they are telling we are against imposing Hindi. Even everyone is imposing Hindi against. But we are asking to learn Hindi, not imposing Hindi. Yeah. And I am asking the party who imposed Hindi and shot dead the DMK workers in 60s or Congress. Okay. They are aligning with the Congress and talking about anti-Hindi movement means they have to leave the Congress from the alliance. Then only they can, Inbanidhi can release the picture.
One last question. Regarding this Karur matter on the 41 people who had lost their life, Vijay, it has been social media, we see that Vijay may be arrested at any time.
No, he has been asked for inquiry. Because this is the inquiry, law is taking its own course. That's all I can say. I cannot comment on law, procedure of law.
He may be arrested because
that I cannot say anything because the law will take its own course.